Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. Today, we were expecting consolidation with a bullish bias, and that is exactly what has happened. Markets did move above yesterday's levels, but the up move was not that dramatic or that much trending as we had seen in the past week as a whole. So overall, what we see is let's get to the charts and see. So Nifty was positive, even Bank Nifty, everything was positive. In fact, Nifty up by 0.16 percentage, and you can see markets opened with a gap up, which was kind of a bit unexpected that this much gap up, and markets did make a new high today. All-time high level was created at 20,167, and then that could not be sustained, and markets came down, tested yesterday's closing, and then traded below 20,100. That was the previous all-time high throughout the day. So this is how things have happened today. So this is overall a Nifty 0.16 percentage in the green. And coming to Bank Nifty, it was again similar to Nifty as well. Bank Nifty moved up with a lot of strength, opened with a gap up, but that was the day's high itself. Then came down, took beautiful support around 45,900. As you can see, multiple 15 minutes candle closing exactly at that level. None of them closed below that significantly, and finally markets ended at 46,000 exactly. That is the weighted average closing, up by 0.2 percentage. So it was a decent day, I would say, for Bank Nifty as well. Ending at 46,000 is a very good thing for Bank Nifty, and the all-time high is now at a striking distance. So yeah, that is the major, the large cap stocks moving up, and mid cap, small caps are doing again well. I would say they are well on their way to recovering the losses that happened on Tuesday, which you remember was a massive fall in the last 6 months. They haven't seen such a fall, but now after yesterday's doji candle, hammer pattern candle today, mid caps are up by 1.17 percentage, looking good there. Small caps up by 1.22 percentage, again a fantastic rally happening in both mid caps and small caps. Sector wise, again most sectors are in the green. Two sectors are slightly lagging behind. That is, one is FMCG, and FMCG is near resistance, as you can see. It's down 0.15 percentage, nothing major, and media is slightly down by 0.4 percentage. Rest all sectors have ended in the green. PSU Bank once again breaking out. It's a clear breakout for PSU Bank index. Now it is at 5,019, and I think this is very close to its all-time high. Let's check. No, its all-time high is that. Let's mark this level for what is the high. This is 5375 is the all-time high level, happened back in 2010 November. So as you can see, markets are going close to that level. That was the all-time high level. Let's hope that the PSU Bank index breaks to that level and moves up with a lot of strength. So that is there, PSU Bank index moving up. I think that is the best performer, yes. Along with metals is up 1.49 percentage today. So good to see metals are back on track. Reality up by 1.39 percentage. Auto sector, which fell for the last 2 days, today is up by 1 percentage. And what else do we have? We have IT index doing well today, 0.48 percentage up. And private banks, financial services, they did decent as well, ending in positive. Energy also ending in positive. Overall, I would say it was a bullish day for the markets. Infosys is the top contributor to Nifty on the upside, followed by M&M, Hindalco. Then what else we have? Hindalco is almost 500, so that is good. And Axis Bank, Tata Steel, ONGC. So these are the top gaining sectors. And ITC, Asian Paints, ICICI Bank, TCS. So these are the top draggers of Nifty, and more than 50% of Nifty 50 stocks have ended in the green. So that is looking good there as well. FIIs have turned net buyers today. Good, because last 2 days they have been selling, and today they have bought for 295 crores, but it was the DII's turn to sell, but they have sold just 50 crores. So that is all right, I would say. And coming to the the data, we have the India's wholesale price inflation data coming out today at, what is it? Is at 0.52 percentage, negative 0.52 percentage. So that is there. And what else do we have? We have the ECB interest rate, Euro area interest rate came at a 4.5%. They have increased it slightly by 25 basis points. And yeah, that is about it, I believe. Is there anything else? No, nothing much has happened today. So that is all the data to look out for. Tomorrow, if you are looking at, we have, let's see if there's anything important tomorrow. No, nothing much important is there. You have the US industrial production data coming out tomorrow, but that will not be affecting the markets that much, I believe. So yeah, that is there. Chinese unemployment is also coming out. As you know, Chinese markets are going through a tough time, as the economy is kind of weak right now. So coming to the US markets, because let's see, US markets are in the green today, so that is good. After consolidating for the last couple of days, US markets is up. S&P 500 up, that's almost 1% up. Dow Jones solid good candle forming 1% up. Nasdaq close to 1% up. US markets looking decent, I would say. What else do we have? We have the European markets all looking good. Fantastic rally in UK markets, 2.22% up on the index level. It's a beautiful rally, I would say, in UK markets. French markets are also moving up 1.19%. German markets up by 1%. And Asian markets, all of them ending in the green. So after a long time, we see global markets painted in the green shade. So the best performer is the Korean markets, 1.5% up, very closely followed by the Japanese market, 1.4% up, and then Chinese and Hong Kong markets are slightly positive, and even Australian markets are up by 1.6%. Everything looking pretty good, I would say, globally. US markets are positive, everything is looking fine. India VIX collapsed today by 4.3%. So it was, we were expecting it to go above 12. That did not happen. It is back to 11.3 levels, a 4.3% drop in India VIX, possibly because of the special session in Parliament that people were expecting, and government did bring out the agenda, and there's no surprises apparently in there. So VIX has collapsed and option premiums have come down everywhere. Crude oil prices continue to move up. It's up by 1.6% at 90.23 and going very close to our targets of 92.92. Let's see how that pans out. Gold prices remain stable at 1910, although it did fall to 1901, but from there it recovered, and right now it's at 1910 gold prices. Okay, what else do we have? All metals again are moving up with a lot of strength. I think zinc is the highest performer, 1.14% up. Rest, all of them are positive between 0 and 1%. And sugar continues to move up, 1.7% up, sugar in the international markets. Dollar index moving up, though this is not a good sign. Dollar index should be cooling off with the positivity in the global markets, but that is not happening. So let's hope this comes down further. That could give a good boost to the global markets as a whole. And Indian rupee depreciated against dollars. It's back to 83 levels. And against euro and pound, it's, you can see the candles, it is quite a zigzag movement happening. One day it is up, the next day it is down, and today seems to be the day where it comes, where it's Indian rupees has gained strength once again. Euro at 88.45, pound at 803, so that is the current level of currencies. And talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, and Nifty's expiry, we did talk about that. So open interest wise, we don't have to look at Nifty because it was the expiry day, but on Fin Nifty grounds, we have 20,400, 500 having good amount of call build up. Put call ratio slightly below 1.92, and Bank Nifty same put call ratio slightly below 1 at 0.93%. But by Friday and next Monday, I think we will get a more clearer picture. So right now, things I would say are slightly neutral to bearish in terms of put call ratio, but don't take it as it is, because now with everyday expiry, people are not taking positions from way before like they used to. So that is also something to be to worry about. Okay, so Nifty levels for now. Okay, let's mark the high level of today, because these act as important resistances. So it's good to have these marked on the charts. 2167 remains now is the new target or the resistance level up ahead, and we have 20,109. You can see it's beautifully respected. Down below 19,991, 19,870, 19,818. Multiple supports are there, expecting a good opening tomorrow. Once again, since the global markets are up, Gift Nifty is indicating already 20,230. Things are looking pretty strong, I would say, in the global markets. Things should be good here as well. Now, Back Nifty similarly, I expect 45,900 to be held tomorrow as well, and markets to move up from here. Possible gap up opening is expected, is definitely on the cards. Maybe 46,200 or 250 can be acting as a resistance. So definitely 46,258 is a resistance level. Watch out for. Again, don't buy for the first time, but when let the price react around here, let there be a pullback, then it's the best time to buy at 46,258. That would ensure a better entry and risk to reward ratio. So that is Back Nifty. Down below supports are multiple: 45,900, 45,650, 45,380, and up above resistance are 46,258, 46,369. That is the all-time high level for Back Nifty, which is I told you, it's very, very close. It can happen. Let's say if it happens tomorrow, and it's a weekend as well, so people again will not be taking huge positions over the weekend. That's also there. Let's see if Friday people book profits or not. Overall, I think it is going to be a positive day tomorrow as well, looking at the way things have turned around for the global markets. Before, we saw that European markets, US markets, everything was in red, but Indian markets were moving up. Now everything is in green. Indian market should be moving up, and that is the current view. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.